Hey, what's up guys? John Osumi coming at you again with another video from Motionshooter Photography. Heading out to the football field this morning to shoot some more Pee-wee football. And this assignment is similar to one I had about a month ago or so, where I'm just covering one player. So I like these kind of shoots because it's pretty easy, just following one player on the football field, and especially when I can just make my positioning match where that player is lined up. So it's going to be a good shoot today. I'm looking forward to it. Stay tuned. This particular player that I'm covering plays running back on offense, and then he's a safety on defense. So basically he's lined up in the backfield, whether he's on offense or defense, and so that's going to affect where I set up on the sideline. I like to set up, if you think about where the line of scrimmage is, and the line of scrimmage is where the football is, I like to line up, if the team's on offense, I'll line up kind of even with the secondary, and the reason for that is as the play starts, hopefully it comes towards me, and that's what I'm looking for, because I want to see the players' faces as the play is happening. So I got to the game about half an hour before it starts. The team I'm shooting is in red behind me. The player that I'm shooting is on the team in red. So I'm going to get what I call safety shots of him while he's warming up. And I consider safety shots in a way cheating, because you're not really capturing true game action photos, but at the same time I'm kind of just adding to the volume of photos that I'm going to provide for my client with this shoot today. So I got the camera set on single point focus, and I have that box almost near the top of the viewfinder. So I want to get the player's helmet, and if I can get their face if possible in that focus area, and then the rest of their body will be in the composition. Both teams have kind of lost confidence in running up the middle, so they keep on running sweeps on the outside. So it seems like either I'm on the right side of the play where a sweep's coming towards me, or I'm on the wrong side of the play where it goes away from me. It seems this game's going that way so far. All right, well, that was a good game, kind of one-sided game, and I had to really hold a lot of discipline in that game because my player was not near the ball as often as I would have liked, and to fulfill my obligation for this particular shoot, I had to stay on him and just try to get him doing different actions. So I think I could have gotten a lot more good shots if I was following the ball and just staying around the ball, but you know, when you're hired for a job, you got to fulfill it in the way that the customer asks. So I think I fulfilled that, but the good thing is you don't have to wait for my editing. I'm going to show you these pictures right here, right now. Thanks for watching. This is John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.